Hello bachcho, let us look into the question. The question says, given diagram showing Watson-Crick model of DNA structure, identify the parameters A, B and C. And A is this region, this is A, B is this region and C is this region. So we have to identify these. Apart from that, we are also asked about identifying this F and E at the same time. Along with that, D. Let us look into it. So whenever we talk about the Watson and Crick model, through the Watson and Crick model, the key concept was Watson and Crick model. Now, using this model, the scientist figured out that DNA is a double-stranded that follows Chargaff rule. Secondly, we can say that through Watson and Crick model, it was proved that two polynucleotide chain makes up the DNA model. Apart from that, each strand, the two strands are in an anti-parallel direction. They hold an anti-parallel polarity. That is 3' to 5' strand will be pairing up with the 5' to 3' polarity strand. This is how it was given about the Watson and Crick model. Apart from that, Watson and Crick model also made it clear that the backbone of the DNA was made up of sugar phosphate. As we know that the nucleotide constitute of sugar, phosphate, along with that it is deoxyribose sugar, nitrogenous base. अब हम बात करेंगे और क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज हैं अगर वॉटसन एंड क्रिक मॉडल की। तो वॉटसन एंड क्रिक मॉडल ने फॉलो किया था चारगॉफ रूल, डबल स्टैंडर्ड स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इन्होंने प्रूव किया। पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड चेन एक दूसरे से बॉन्डेड रहते हैं, चारगॉफ रूल को फॉलो, एंटी पैरेलल डायरेक्शंस रहते हैं, शुगर फॉस्फेट इनका बैकबोन रहता है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हेनेवर वी सी जो कॉइलिंग होती है डीएनए की, तो उसमें एक ये मेजर ग्रूव टाइप स्ट्रक्चर देखे जाते हैं। सो दिस इज मेजर ग्रूव एंड दिस इज माइनर ग्रूव। दिस इज वन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डीएनए, हाउ इट गेट्स कॉइल्ड अराउंड ईच अदर। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वॉटसन एंड क्रिक मॉडल के ही थ्रू हमें बताया गया कि दो बेस पेयर्स के बीच में, इनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होता है दैट इज 0.34 nanometer, or you can say it equivalent to 3.4 angstrom. Apart from that, Watson and Crick मॉडल के थ्रू हमें ये भी बताया गया कि एक पिच में, पिच ऑफ डीएनए, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 10 बेस पेयर, वन पिच, इसका लेंथ रहता है 34 एंगस्ट्रॉम। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एंड वन टर्न में 10 बेस पेयर on an average पाई जाती है। So this was the information given by this Watson and Crick model. Apart from that हमें बताया गया कि जो diameter है of the DNA, it is equivalent to 20 angstrom. Alright, so these were the concepts of Watson and Crick model. Now let us tackle or solve the question according to the given discussed data. Let us look into it. जब बात करेंगे A की, so here is A. A was asked from here to here. That means एक टर्न में, वन पिच की लेंथ कितनी है? This was being asked. This area was A. So the length of this pitch area, it is equivalent to 34 angstrom. According to which these options are wrong and these options are right. Moving further, B, which is diameter of the DNA, it is equivalent to 20 angstrom. It is correct in both. Now moving further, we will be discussing C. C is present over here, the distance between two base pairs, right? And the distance will be equivalent to, as we have discussed here, that it is equivalent to 0.34 nanometer, or you can say 3.4 angstrom. Alright. Apart from that, जब हम बात करेंगे D की, D is present here. Now what is D? It makes up the backbone. It is making up the backbone. So what is the backbone of DNA? It is constant throughout the strands, and only the base pair changes. It is either G, C or T or A. So this constant region, what it is, D is sugar phosphate बैकबोन. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम बात करेंगे ई और एफ की. तो ई की बात हमने की थी कि जब भी कभी हम डीएनए के मॉडल को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, देन वी सी टू काइंड ऑफ ग्रुप्स. On the one side there is a major group because it is larger one, and on the opposite side of it there is a minor group because वहां पे बहुत कम डिप्रेशन देखा जाता है. डिप्रेशन यानी कि गहराई हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कम है, तो हम इन्हें माइनर ग्रूव कहेंगे और इन्हें हम मेजर ग्रूव कहेंगे. सो एफ region, as we can clearly see, it is very less. The angle is larger than this, right? In that case, F is minor groove and E is major groove. According to that, option C is the correct option. So we can conclude that option C is the right answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.